Hey there, I know I haven't posted in a few days, but that's because I've been down in Atlanta, Georgia. That's an 8-hour drive down from where I live. And in this video, you're going to see some pretty cool things. I wing walk on a 747. My son landed a 737 on a flight simulator that was once used by Tom Cruise for a movie and to train Delta airline pilots. And lastly, I unlocked a B29 on an Air Force base. Don't believe me? Keep watching. Hey there, we just made it. We're here, we're in Atlanta, pretty close to Atlanta. Just keep watching. Tomorrow, hope to have a big day of airplanes. We're here at Delta headquarters, everybody.
No, we're not. More people.
You gotta love these old planes. Look at these things. That's beautiful. Wow.
Don't stand up like this.
So here we are. Here's the Spirit of Delta Airlines. Beautiful plane.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Isn't that cool?
Just give me a little bit.
Everybody. I'm having a great flight, but
Here's 25 cents to help buy
I need
the
a
plane.
Coke or something.
None of us had any experience with how big that airplane was. And there's just no ribbon big enough to put on that airplane.
Project 7, a 767.
You want almonds?
Yeah, Coke. Coke will be good.
There you go.
Oh wow. I don't even understand where the screen is.
So you should know, you know who Tom Cruise is?
Yeah.
He sat in that seat.
Really?
You got his bunkers.
Said Tom Cruise sat in that seat. He trained in here for a movie, or
They did, if you saw the movie American Made, it was made back in about 16, I think.
no, I haven't seen that one.
They did some, it's a good movie if you ever,
I'll
probably
check
on
it out.
Netflix, I don't
The
know.
plane started.
I like Tom Cruise movies
Oh,
anyway.
yeah.
Yeah, they did some cockpit scenes in here.
Oh.
He left it, this was his signature up here. But
Oh.
during COVID, somebody wiped it with alcohol.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
So,
No, it's still pretty good though. The spacecraft.
Yeah, I have.
I remember that. I guess
okay,
so.
Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can get to the ground.
Oh my.
That's cracked. Goes down.
1,000.
Well, I don't think you want to do that.
Stop it! No! You're gonna crack it. You're gonna crack it.
The idea is to not crash.
Yeah, Leah.
Just kind of focus on the runway and fly toward those two green bars right at the beginning.
Oh, we are nowhere close. Go this
Back
way.
to the right, back to the right, back to the right. You have to turn before you get where you want to be because the airplane kind of drifts around a little bit.
Wait.
500.
Bring it up a little. There you go. Small turns, small adjustments, he said.
Then when he said you're going to hear Collins more altitude, if you hear him say 30 feet, you're just going to pull this back a little bit, right? Like about an inch. You're not going to come down, you're a little high.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Steer
gosh.
towards the runway.
Oh my gosh.
Steer towards the
Oh my gosh.
Level out. There you go, level
What
out.
are you doing? Oh no.
Now That's it. You're doing great. You're coming down kind of fast. Pull back a
100.
little bit.
Pull back. Pull back.
50,
Pull back.
40,
Pull back.
30,
Oh, just hold
20,
this level. Just hold it
10.
level. There you go.
Yeah,
Wow.
we ate that up, okay? Shut up.
Reverse engines. Keep it on the line. There you go.
Driving that way. Nah, I think
You can steer with that. See that control right down there?
yeah.
Use that one. That one. You'll see what happens.
Oh wow. Oh.
So on the ground in this airplane, the steering wheel's not a steering wheel. You can steer it with the rudder pedals or with that control over there called the tiller.
Yeah, that makes sense.
The tiller.
It's like a motor.
Now this is what we're talking about here. This is it. The 747. Here we are. We're right up in the front here. This is the 747 cockpit. We're right up in the front. This is great as we turn and we come out. Oh man, it's so tight. I don't know how they do this, but this is the hump. The hump of the 747. Look at these. This is really cool, isn't it? First class seats, or whatever you want to call them nowadays.
Don't really want to make it tough. I don't know how my.
Pretzels. Pretzels.
I got my own food.
Pretzels.
How do I?
Pretzels.
No.
First class.
Pretzels.
How do you get the screen in front of you? You have to flip it.
Oh, other people have done it good.
Can I do another? I have a bunch of change.
There he goes.
Yeah.
Well,
You literally.
take that side off. Pull it through. Pull it through right here. Pull the chain through the fence. There you go. All right, these kids done unlocked something real special for you.
Plane.
Yeah, just the B29. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know how we get into these places. We just unlocked the B29. No big deal. Oh my goodness. Let's hustle down here and see. Here we go. B29 restored. It was in bad shape. So obviously it's not flyable. There's only two B29s that are fly worthy anymore. Most of them are like this one. They've been repaired. They sat on a jump heat for so long, and pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's a big plane. You didn't walk all the way around. Right over the top of us. Use the front windshield. Oh yeah, look at that. Get that, Chris. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You getting it?